Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new transfer entry to your CashControl account, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the dashboard icon down below, which is the first option, and after that click on the plus icon that can be found in the upper right corner of the screen. Then click on the transfer option, and first of all you should select your source, which is this first section, transfer from. So type in the amount that you want to transfer, and then select your currency as well, which is now set to this option, and then you can or you should also select your source account. Then type in the amount to the transfer to section, and select your currency again, and the account as well. You can add attachments to it down below, and also select the current date, add notes and tags. And if you are done with adding all this information, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.